All right, so MF cooks this morning. Everyone's still asleep, but I was talking to my brother and he doesn't know how to make an omelet. So I'm gonna make a quick omelet for you. Hang tight. All right, so first off, we have our 3 eggs, heavy cream, just a touch in there. Mix this up. So there's the eggs. All right, so we're gonna start from cold, a little bit of olive oil. Incorporate a little bit of air in the pan. Turn to medium. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna let this set. I'm gonna add some pepper. We got a little bit of cheese and some shredded turkey. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of check the edges here. All right, so what I like to do is kind of pull in from the bottom. We call this 6 o'clock. Back to 6 o'clock, pull it up. Go over here to 3 o'clock. Get all that liquid around there. So we're building the foundation of our omelet here. Don't need to rush it. Okay, so we're getting there. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my cheese, my turkey, and the cheese. Let's see where we're at here. Let's see if we can get this folded over. Center back up. All right, there's the perfectly good omelet right there. Now we're just gonna give it a few minutes to melt the cheese, finish cooking the insides. All right, so there. Let's see how we look here. I think we're there. All right, our finished omelet. Now time to plate it. Cheddar cheese, some chives. All right, so everyone's still sleeping, but I wanted to make a quick omelet, show Mike how to make this. Add whatever toppings you want. Super simple, super easy. Just use the clock method. Push in at 6, push in at 12, push in at 3, push in at 9. Let it finish cooking. It's gonna be super cheesy.